Okay, so I'm just maintaining my positions. In the last two recordings, I just noted that I have lost 1%, 1%, 1% of my account, and then I gained 25%, which is good, and 0.3%. So we're generally up. Let's maintain our positions. We've got sugar. Let's go to the daily. Hourly, we're doing fine, but it's a very funky one. I expect that it will go up and stop me out, because look, there's so many hourly funkiness going on. It's not continual. Maybe I should just follow it down and get, how much have we got? $5. Ooh, we should be getting a lot more, because we're risking 10, so we should be getting at least 10 back. Here we're down $5. I mean, we're short $5 pound CAD. If you get a down candle, 1.8 is a strong, so I found that 1.8 is a strong resistance area. We're in. Let's look at the hourly. I've got a trailing stop on that one because I don't trust that either, because it's so. Let's have a look at the sentiment for pound CAD. Sentiment GB Great British Pound CAD. Last I checked, it was mixed. It's still mixed. Nobody knows what they're doing. Is there some comment on it? Nope. Okay, next trade is wheat US. We're up $4 and starting to come the other way. I guess I'll turn my stop loss to break even. At least if it stops us out, we can get in again maybe. Cool. And what have we got next? Euro NZ. We've got to take profit. We are short. How is my stop loss so far down? It's about to stop out, isn't it? Let's put it to break even, because maybe it'll come up and hit a lower high and then carry on. I'd rather risk being break even than risk getting knocked out at $2 or something. Let's just hold on. And what's next? That's the daily. Okay, so it's supposed to be going. Wait, when did we enter it? It's supposed to be going down. Look, it almost went to our take profit, and it went up again. Because I'm thinking it's channel bound. Maybe my take profit was just too low. Maybe I should just get out now. Where's my take profit? Down there. I think it'll go down, because it's the channel. It hit the top, hit the bottom, hit the top, hit the bottom, and now it's going back to the top. The actual price is, you can't even see it because there's so many numbers on the right there. Actual price is 1.8. Okay, that's probably just going to break even. We'll see how we go. And what's next? That's Euro Kiwi. Singapore, we're up $2. Woo! It's up a whole day candle, so I can move my stop loss to break even now. I'm going to just do it here. Bomb. Let's check it on the hourly too, though. Make sure the stop loss move, because sometimes you do that and then it doesn't move. Yeah. Hopefully we won't get a lower high. Hopefully we won't get stopped out. I'll just leave it there. I put it a little bit higher because I've noticed that I'm paying a lot in financing, and if I just break even on trades, I'm not getting my financing money back. So you have a look in the activity here. Financing, $10. No, it's not $10. Where's my financing? 35 cents a day, but sometimes it's a lot more. Okay, carrying on with life. Euro CAD. We're in the profit shortage due to channel. We expect it to hit the bottom of the channel. It's not down a whole day yet, so I can't move my stop loss. We'll just leave it, but we're still happy to be down. And now we're getting into less and less profit. Pound Aussie, we are short. We're shorted into channel reversal, but even though it's climbing, I see now that they're on the hourly, sorry, not the minutely, the hourly. Are they higher? No, they're lower highs. I think we're pretty safe, even though it's coming up. I don't think it's going to go up. I think it's going to go down. The daily, it looks like it's going up. Maybe that's the top of the channel. Maybe that's the top of the channel. Who knows? See, I thought that this was the top of the channel when I went in. If it hits that, we'll lose our money. If it carries on going and then goes down, we'll be fine. And then the other trouble is that this is higher low, higher low, higher low, so it is increasing. I think I'm going to get out of that. Exit pound Aussie, done. Zip, and then exited a break even because of trend lines, trend up. And I'll draw that trend in now so I remember it for later. Bam, bam. Okay, so we made 44 cents, woo, which is 0.04% of my account. Better than a kick in the teeth. Pound Aussie's gone. Where are we up to? We go down to our first euro pound. This is the one we just entered due to sentiment bearish. So we entered it the other day, and now we entered it again. We entered it here and lost out because it hit our stop loss exactly. Now we've entered it again, but we've put a stop loss much higher. Euro pound and pound Japan. We are long, and we're happy to be long because we think it's going to go up. Euro Japan, we are short, and we think it's going to be a channel reversal. I think that's happy because there's a trend there, but it's broken down out of it, so it's not in that trend anymore. Soybeans, we are short, and this thing just keeps on going down, so we're pretty happy with that. Although, has it ever been this low? Let's look at the weekly. It has been lower. We're happy. Okay. When was it lower though? Like in 1990? 2020, so 4 years ago it was lower, so we'll see. Because it's also got a double bottom, which is a signal to go up, but I think we'd like to keep on the trend. Bitcoin, we longed into it, and we're down $4. We made this trade, we made $250, which was handy. And now we longed into it again this morning, and trying to recreate our $250 profit. The daily's up, so we longed in after this bottom up, so this higher low. We're happy with that. We're risking $30 on the Bitcoin, which is 3% of our account. This one is we're short, and we should be short. Yeah, good. Shift Japan, shorted due to channel reversal, and of course it goes up the other way. Thanks, bro. And that's another thing. It's got a long up trend, but it's broken down through it. Does it mean it's going to carry up in a new up channel? Let's see if we can make a trend line that touches everything without blowing up, I guess. And then this will be like a channel. Is it the pitchfork? I don't know. Gan fib, trend fib. What about a channel? Is there a channel line? You've got to make your own parallel channel. Okay, so I guess I click that, and then I click that, and then I click that. Ooh. I've never used this indicator before. It doesn't extend. I guess I've got to click here and format it. I just made it visible. Good one. Did it disappear? Undo, Control Z. Nothing happened. Okay, I guess that's the end of that then. So maybe it's another up channel. I mean, let's try and draw it. Another up channel. Okay, so we're going here and here. No, there and there. And then we're gonna go format here and format and extend right. So it could be an up channel. We'll see. I'll just note it on here. Although, if this fails, see if you can trade the up channel. Okay, and that's our last one. Thank you for watching our daily maintenance. Have a wonderful day and be happy.